Hey everyone, this is Alan from Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I'm up in a home in Seattle right now, up in one of the attic spaces. What we're seeing up here, it's a 1920s build, so we're seeing some knob and tube wires here. The knob and tube strands, a lot of the time, are actually decommissioned. So just taking a peek up here, we can see like a few knob and tube. Looking over here, we have some Romex that's been put in too. So just getting up here, really getting close, and testing with a tester, just like this one here. You see like this Romex, we definitely have some juice going through it. But looking at the knob and tube, you're seeing that there's actually no power going to these at all here. So walking around the attic, I'll test a few more sections here, but just making sure. A knob and tube can visually be seen sometimes, but it will be decommissioned. Like, they will just cut the lines, basically, and just not do a full tear out. Anyway, this has been Alan from Mountains to Sound. Have a good one.